Aba,
ulam to.
sabihin mo naman kay Jenna, yan, kahit wala ka, mahal na mahal ka ni Ivy.
Welcome back! Ito na naman ang yung Daddy O para sa panibagong episode ng ating vlog. And today's video, sumugod tayo dito sa Novaliches, Quezon City, particularly dito sa Pameroyan Residences, upang idaos ang aming face-to-face D-group meeting kasabay ng celebration ni Ivy Pameroyan birthday. At dahil dyan, syempre, hindi mawawala yung masasarap na handa na yan. Yan o. Pero bago yan, praise and worship and devotion muna tayo. Bless the Lord, bless the Lord, and after that, eto na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Den 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 den. Damn! Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
Sa'yo ang pasyaron ngayon.
Hey, hey!
Pwede na.
Okay, thank you po.
Alright. Oh, yun po. Sabi nyo kay Mayora, Mayora Ivy.
Mayora, maraming salamat sa ayuda. Isang linggo rin itong wala ulam na namin. Maraming salamat, Mayora. Boto ka ulit.
Kala ko, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Shasha. Thank you.